Buenos días, clase. Hoy es viernes. Estamos en lección 15. We're in lesson 15 today. But I did want to point out a couple things since I have a sub today. Next week, which is lesson 16, 17, and 18. Obviously, lesson 16, we have a yellow day. That was originally going to be our speaking test. So lesson 17 is where we're going to have our speaking test. We're going to review our study guide and do a little bit of practice. And then lesson 18, so the test has been moved back a day, the written test, and that you will have over por and para, you'll have over future and conditional, you'll have a writing portion, and then lastly, your vocab is actually not going to have the normal form that we thought where we had to fill in the blank. It is actually going to only be in your speaking and in your listening, and we're going to see a little bit of that today. So if you want to jump to lesson 15, our objectives are still using por and para in a sentence and future and conditional tenses. So obviously you're watching this instructional video. So we had some stuff to do today. We had our personal questions. Just go ahead and hold on to those for now. I'm not going to go through them virtually. And then our second thing that says sobrevivir con por y para. Actually, make this a little smaller. The one that says sobrevivir was a review game in class. So if you want to click on that, then actually you can put it on present on your screen and you can flip through and practice on your own the por and par reasons. That part is optional. You can do that on your own time, but it's a great resource. The first thing I want you guys to do is, after watching this video, is do your speaking practice. You can partner up, you can work by yourself, or you can find a partner, you can choose. If you click on the speaking practice, it's going to take you to some prompts. Oh, well, never mind. You guys are going to see my password. That is unfortunate. I don't know if there's another way that I can open that. Okay, basically the speaking practice is a hypothetical. Wow, that was weird. Okay, so the speaking practice is a hypothetical. Like the first one, I think, says, if I was a lawyer, I would. So it prompts you to answer in the conditional form using the vocab. So if I were a lawyer, I would make a lot of money. Now you guys do not have to come up with that. If I were a lawyer, if I were a plumber, or if they were fired, they would. That is the part that you will draw for your speaking test. You'll get 2 of those. So with that said, go through those. You take about 20 minutes at least. You can write down examples. You can just do it orally, but you need to take a chunk of time to do that. The next part is your study guide. The study guide is most likely behind my chair on the counter where it says Spanish 3. I'm guessing that your study guide is there. Let the sub look for it. But yeah, it should say Guía de Estudio at the top. And it looks like this. Dang it. Oh, my word. Yeah, see, I don't want to do that. So, yeah, your study guide should be pretty straightforward, future conditional. So make sure that you get that done. You do not need to turn it in before you leave. You're welcome to if you'd like, but I'm going to check it next time I see you guys and we're going to review the answers. So thanks for following along with this video when I couldn't open the things and instead of awkwardly just typing in my password. So speaking practice and your study guide. Go ahead and work on those 2 things, and then I will see you guys for e-learning, and after that, I will see you on Wednesday of next week for your speaking test. So please reach out to me if you have